Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the fees that apply to CommBank savings accounts. CommBank offers a variety of savings accounts, and the fees can differ depending on the specific account you have. Many of their main savings accounts, such as the Net Bank Saver and Goal Saver, have no monthly account fees. This is a great benefit as it means you can save money without worrying about a recurring charge. However, it's important to be aware of other potential fees. For example, some accounts may have fees for services like paper statements. If you're someone who prefers a physical statement, this is something to consider. There can also be fees for assisted withdrawals, which are transactions made at a branch, over the phone, or with a staff member. It's also worth noting that while a savings account might not have a monthly fee, it might be linked to a transaction account that does. For instance, if you open a Net Bank Saver, a linked Smart Access account may be automatically opened, and this account has a monthly fee unless certain conditions are met, such as depositing a minimum amount each month or being under a certain age. Always check the specific terms and conditions for your account on the CommBank website to get the most accurate and up-to-date information on any fees that may apply. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.